up and leave. Nobody needs me, nobody wants me, nobody loves me, nobody cares for me. The Bible says honor thy father and mother, but it just couldn't be done. I was searching for some love, but I found none, and all my friends had gone. Who do I turn to? Where do I go now? What is happening to me? How can I fill this emptiness inside when people just keep on walking by? Then a man came and stopped to tell